Hello guys, unboxing Milwaukee Packout large box. There are two boxes with this Milwaukee fastback knife. Shit. Alright, let's get started. There are two boxes. Let's go. Okay, I can see two boxes now. Okay, I don't want to damage the fucking, excuse me, I don't want to damage the knife, so I just use the scissors. Okay, how we can do this? Right. Okay. There are two boxes. Milwaukee Packout. Two boxes. Okay, let's get this ready. Okay. I don't think I need to throw these boxes away, but this one seems a little bit too big, too fat. What is happening here? Okay, the first box is ready. Okay, can't do this by myself. Let's have a look. What do they have? Did they give me this one? Oh yes, they do have this tray. And what about the second one now? Let's have a look. Should be there. You can't keep me on this one without putting this tray in. So I bought this in Indonesia. Cost me about 180 Australian dollars. I wasn't so sure about how much in the US. Like this one is way cheaper compared to the Western wall. Okay, let's take this out. Right. Let's see whether they have the fucking tray. Excuse me, here. Oh yes, they do. And yeah. Okay. So this is for the Milwaukee Packout large unboxing. Two boxes, two packouts, and let's have a look in the next videos.